how to link tables in Airtable. So first go to your account, and then here you just need to click on the plus icon here, add field, and then click on link to another record. Now here, choose which table you're going to link to this table here, which is I'm at table name people right now. So let's say I'm going to link the cities table, which is this one, to this table here. So click on cities, and then click on create field. Now here, just select which of the fields here on the cities table you want to add to this table here. So let's say I'm going to add this one here, and then click on add one field. And now as you can see, I've already connected the cities table here, and then I can also see the field, the city field from the cities table. As you can see, let's check out the city field here in cities table, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.